It's easy to design a flyer with some images and colors. But it's not that easy to quickly create one that converts your target audience. Hi, this is Praveen from Picmaker. Today I'm going to show you how to craft a perfect flyer that will engage your audience. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use a do-it-yourself design software called Picmaker that allows you to create stunning designs in minutes. Sign in or sign up to Picmaker using your credentials. Once you sign in, this is where you'll be coming in. We are on the dashboard right now. As you can see, our flyer templates are here. You can also make use of the search bar at the top to quickly find what you want. Click on the search bar and type in flyer. It comes with the right dimension of 210 by 297 mm. Click on it, it will take you to the templates page. Here you are on the flyer templates page. You can scroll through and see if one of these templates looks good for you. Before you choose your template, you should think about the main purpose of your flyer. The purpose could be increasing the sales with a limited time offer, creating awareness about your new business, or increasing registration for your event. It can be anything. Clarity on your end goal helps you create a great flyer. And the next thing is, the information on your flyer should be minimal. Your readers must take one look at the flyer and understand it completely. The templates here are the best examples. This is an announcement for a race event. This one is a discount offer for sports shoes. And this is a music festival announcement. What makes these templates unique? It's because the information is not overloaded. The headlines are precise and to the point. Fonts and colors are unique to each flyers. If you take this template, it talks about a summer party with the date mentioned and the artist who's gonna get featured. It also comes with the CTA to sell tickets. I'm gonna pick this one and show you how to customize this flyer. Alright, we are on the workspace. Our template is here. As you can see, all these elements are completely customizable. Let's get started by changing the background image. Click on the slide. We've got a shape with transparency. As you slide it down, you'll see the background. Select it and click on replace. Choose an image that interests you. Once you click on it, the background will be replaced. Before bringing the shape up, let's match this text color with the image. Select the text. Click on the color at the top. Use the color picker and choose a color from the image. Now bring the shape up to cover the image. You can change this text based on your event. Double tap on a text to change it. Once you're done with the design, click on the download button. You can either share it to social media or download it in 3 different file types. With Picmaker, it's no longer an uphill struggle to design a flyer that converts. In just a few simple steps and by following the right practices, you can craft a flyer in minutes. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you don't want to miss the upcoming tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one.